In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely delete or remove blocks in AutoCAD. Start by opening the Purge tool, either by typing Purge in the command line or by navigating to Drawing Utilities is greater than Purge from the AutoCAD menu. In the Purge dialog box, expand the Blocks category to view all block definitions available in the drawing. You can either select specific unused blocks to remove or purge all unused blocks at once. After making your selection, click Purge Checked Items to permanently remove those block definitions from the file. This process helps reduce file size, improve performance, and keep your drawing organized. Remember that blocks currently in use cannot be purged until all instances of them have been deleted from the drawing. Running Purge periodically is a good practice for maintaining clean and efficient AutoCAD files. You can also use the Purge command for additional cleanup options directly from the command line. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.